In this tutorial, I'll show you how to unlock Total Wireless phone. Firstly, the phone must have been activated on Total Wireless service for at least 60 days, and the device must not be reported as lost, stolen, or fraudulent. Your account also must be in good standing, no unpaid balances. Call Total Wireless customer care at 1-866-663-3633. Provide your phone number, IMEI number, and account details. You can find your IMEI by dialing *#06# on your phone and ask the representative to submit to unlock request. If eligible, you'll receive either an unlock code for older Android devices or an automatic unlock for most modern iPhones and Androids. Insert a non-Total Wireless SIM card and follow the on-screen instructions. For Android, enter the unlock code on prompt, and for iPhone, just insert the SIM card. The phone will unlock automatically. Some other models may not be eligible for unlocking, and once unlocked, your phone can be used with any compatible GSM or CDMA carrier, including Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile.